How's it going, guys? I'm Steve and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time since I've updated you on my Goldwing, but if you're following my Instagram account, I've done a few bits I've posted on there. But with that, let's get into it. So what I've actually done to the Goldwing: got my fork seals on, put the ears on it, shortcut for the headlight. I got the engine in, got the carbs on, put the shaft on, which was a really pain because there was a little circlip in there that clips it all together. And basically, I think now I've got to sort the fuel tank out because it's a bit rusty inside, so I've got to give it a good 30-minute clean, and then it'll be building it back up. So it's gonna be fun. Right, I'm not sure if you can see in there, maybe not, but it's not overly rusty. So what I bought is some nitrous mauve. I'm going to put 1 litre in there, I'm going to put a load of screws in it, give it a good shake around for about 30 minutes, but basically see how we'll go from there, really. The fuel tank is pretty much done. Let it drive there, put some sort of water solution into it to like dissolve all the water, etc. This is part of the air tank, so that is really rusty. I'm hoping I can save it. Just going to scrub as much stuff as I can and basically go from there, really. Right, we're getting there slowly. Just put the new mount on the clocks. Just got to get some new bolts for that. Just going to put the radiator on, and I think I'll call it a day. But no, it's getting there. I'm seeing the process now. It's kind of worrying that, like, am I going to know where it all's going to go? But I'm hoping it'll be like a jigsaw piece. So there you go. Right, well, I've had to take the radiator off because I've forgotten to put the engine mounts on. So I'm going to call it a day, and maybe next week we'll start respraying these, really put them back on, and I think airbox and putting it back together now. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned for next one.